This is the story of the Accompong Maroons, descendants of runaway slaves. Learn their history.
Is singing and chanting, accompanied by the playing of traditional instruments such as the gombe drum and a beng, which enhance the potent mix of music and history. Kinda means one family, and the tree is believed to have mystical powers. The descendants of the Maroons are said to catch into the spirit of their ancestors underneath this majestic tree. And so, white rum is thrown to ward off evil spirits. A traditional meal of pork and yam is prepared as an offering to the ancestors. The food is unseasoned, so that the salts will not scare off their ancestors. It is said that the food possesses lucky powers, which are passed on to whomever devours it. However, to this day, visitors are only allowed to participate in the Kinda Tree ceremony. The most sacred part of the ceremony takes place at the Peace Cave, where Kodja signed the peace treaty with the British. The site is situated 5 miles from the Kinda Tree and is closely guarded to ensure that only descendants of the Maroons can enter the cave, thus protecting this aspect of their heritage from the outside world. Here, the Maroons offer up food to their ancestors and practice their own secret rituals.
The land of the settlement is communally owned, and a deep sense of belonging prevails in this town.
As Colonel of the Accompong Maroons, it is my pleasure to be alive in the year 2008, to be a part of the 270th
activities, as the warmth of the sun complemented the occasional gush of wind, bringing relief to the many Jamaicans and foreigners gathered to witness and participate in the replay of history celebrations. Some were first-time visitors, while others relived the experience year after year.
Yes, as soon as you come through the gate, you get the flavor of Accompong.
I'm just still absorbing it all. I'm enjoying it very much.
I have relatives visiting from overseas. I said, why don't we go to Accompong on Sunday? So here we are, and what a delight it is to be here. The history of this place is so rich. There is so much to learn. It's such a happy experience in terms of seeing this community that works together, lives together, plays together. It's a delight.
We're looking forward to the drumming later on, the ceremony, which is in a few minutes, we hope, and some real good, hardcore Jamaican reggae music.
Before the official starting of the ceremonious trek to Kinda, we decided to take a tour of the community, but not before ensuring that our armbands were at hand. Security was at its best, signaling the beginning of our journey to Kinda. What exactly is the abeng?
Nobody can write about the abeng, because what is contained in the abeng is so deep that you can't write about it. It has areas that we call chamu chamu that cannot be discussed. But the abeng is an instrument that is used not just here, but amongst the Ashanti and Fante people in Ghana. But there is so many things, communication, war times, and so on.
It is said that one receives luck throughout the year if they eat the pork, roosters, male plantains, and male yams prepared under the Kinda. The Maroons then made the sacred pilgrimage down to Old Town to feed the spirit of the ancestors there. Old Town is the location of the first village set up by Captain Accompong, Kodja's brother, to feed the ancestral spirits. Only true-born Maroons are allowed to make the journey.
If you are not a Maroon,
Others feasted on foods of all variety. Several even had a chance to do their Saturday market shopping. The hypnotic beat of the drums, the undertones of the abeng, the chanting, singing, and occasional shouts signal the arrival of the Maroons and the commencement of the official ceremony.